If you're thinking of moving to Florida, here are 10 laws you need to know about. My name's Alexandra and I'm a local realtor down on Florida's Space Coast. If you want to keep seeing videos about what it's like living on Florida's East Coast, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you're notified every Friday morning when I post a new video. I have people calling me every day and I really enjoy it. So if you have any questions about the laws that I cover in this video, or about what it would be like to move to our area, please give me a call, shoot me a text message, or send me an email. I've got your answers and I would love to hear from you. All right, let's get into it. Number 1, if you're driving slower than other left lane drivers, even if they're speeding, you must move over to the right so that they can pass, otherwise you risk receiving a ticket. If you're caught driving slower than other drivers in the left lane, you will receive a moving violation and could potentially receive a $161 fine and 3 points added to your license. Number 2, it is illegal to feed the gators. Feeding alligators causes them to lose their natural fear of humans. They begin to associate humans with food, and if someone else comes along and doesn't have any food, they may attack that person. If you're caught, penalties include a fine up to $500. Number 3, if you insist on using a mobile device while you're driving, you must use a hand-free device when driving through active work zones, construction zones, school zones, and designated school crossings. And no, putting your phone on speakerphone while you're holding it and driving does not count as hands-free. Hands-free means that your hands are not touching your phone at all. If cited, the first offense will be $30 plus court fees. This doubles to $60 plus court fees, plus 3 points added to your driver's license for a second offense. It should also be added that texting and driving is completely illegal no matter where you're driving in the state of Florida. Number 4, marijuana is only legal in the state of Florida when one has obtained a medical marijuana use authorization. If you don't have your medical marijuana card and you're caught with 20 grams or less of marijuana, you can be incarcerated up to 1 year and receive a fine up to $1,000. Number 5, this is one of my least favorite laws. If you're over the age of 21, you are not required by law to wear a helmet on a motorcycle. However, you must be covered by an insurance policy that provides at least $10,000 in medical benefits. If you're under the age of 21, Florida law requires you to wear both protective eyewear and headgear when riding on a motorcycle. Number 6, in the state of Florida, you do not need a permit to purchase a firearm, and you do not need to register it. It should also be noted that Florida does have stand your ground laws. Number 7, it is illegal to leave a child under the age of 6 unattended in a parked vehicle for more than 15 minutes. If you leave your motor running, you're not allowed to leave that child in the car at all. Number 8, you cannot write your own will in the state of Florida without following Florida's legal requirements. In Florida, a living will must be signed by its maker in the presence of 2 witnesses. One of those witnesses cannot be a spouse or a blood relative. Number 9, a law was passed so that during a specific stretch of time before hurricane season, sales taxes are not due on eligible items related to disaster preparedness. These items include, but are not limited to, batteries, generators, bungee cords, coolers, ice packs, and so on. And finally, number 10, price gouging is illegal before and after hurricanes. During a storm-related declared state of emergency, state law prohibits excessive increases in price of essential commodities such as food, water, hotel rooms, ice, gas, and so on. Violators of price gouging are subject to civil penalties of $1,000 per violation and up to $25,000 for multiple violations committed in a 24-hour period. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Thanks for watching my video. Bye!